Hey folks, Sheila here from Design Files. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your interior design contracts with multiple client signature fields. So if you are working on a project for a couple or for business partners, or you just have a project on the go that has multiple decision makers, keep watching and I'll show you exactly how to set up your contracts correctly so that you can ensure that you're collecting signatures from everyone that matters. Now we're going to use this project right here as an example. I'm going to go up to the project navigation and we're going to go straight into contracts. From there, I'm going to click the button here to add a contract. And what I'm going to do is we need to fill in the actual text for this particular contract. So I'm just going to use one of my presets. We'll click on this one right here and it's all going to load in for me. And then if I scroll down to the bottom here, well, first things first, at the top of the page, you're going to see that my client has already been added. So if I scroll down to the bottom of this contract, you're going to see that there is a client signature field for my client, and then there's also one for me. If I want to add more clients to this contract, all I need to do is go to the top of the page here, and I can click directly into this field. You can search by just scrolling through the list, or you can just start typing, and then you'll see your individual clients pop up as you're typing their names, and then you can just select them and add them to the field. So you can add as many clients as you like, and each time you add a client here, the system is basically going to generate an additional signature field for that client at the bottom of your contract. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to fill in my designer field here, my designer signature. So I'll put in my my fake designer here. And from there, I could just save and preview if I want to see what this looks like. So let's go ahead and we'll do that. It's going to show you what the contract is going to look like for your client, so you can have a quick read through it. You can scroll through all the way to the bottom here, and then you'll see that you've signed off on it and the date that you signed off on. Now, if you're ready to send this out to your clients, what you can do is just click the send button up here in the top right-hand corner, and then you can click the option to send the contract to your client. So my clients have already been added to the recipient field here. I can change the subject line and add a new message to the actual email that I'm going to send out to them. And then I can go ahead and I can send this contract. Now, what will happen here is the system is then going to send an email out to each of your clients. The email will be branded to your business, and when your client clicks on it, they'll be able to, when they open it up, there's going to be a link that they can click on. It'll take them straight into the contract so they can read it and they can sign off on it. And when they sign off on it, you're going to be able to see who and when they signed off right here. So in this case, I can see that I've signed off on it and I can see the date, but I can also see that we're awaiting signature for both Sheila and Cole. Now, the contract is going to show as partially signed until everybody signs off on it. So it'll be fully signed when we get the signatures from both of the clients. So let's say that Sheila has in fact gone ahead and signed off on it, but Cole hasn't yet. One thing that you can do is you can pop over here and you can send the contract again. So what you can do is you could remove Sheila because she's already signed off on it. Cole's the one who's being tardy here, so we're just going to add a new subject line and a message telling Cole to get around to signing this contract so we can move forward on the rest of the project, and then go ahead and send out your reminder email. But that's essentially how it works. So definitely jump in, give this a try with your next client project. You can add as many clients as you like to the contract. It's just going to include an individual signature field for each client that you add, and you'll be able to track who has signed and when from your overall contracts page. If you do have any questions whatsoever about how to use this feature, please feel free to reach out to us on the live chat. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.